Guys, wait for me. We're shooting for YouTube.
Hi, welcome back to a new YouTube video.
Yeah, and today is one day before
January 1st.
yeah.
And what day?
Happy New Year!
Now is the New Year's Eve.
Yeah, New Year's Eve.
And what are you doing outside here?
We're doing fireworks.
Isn't it so cold here? Yeah, it's freezing.
I thought
Feels like
I
puncak.
thought it was hot,
Ah.
but now it's cold.
Hmm?
I thought it was hot, but now it's cold.
It's cold and windy and breezy.
Because it's late night. It's like 10 or 11.
Where's all the fireworks? Oh, in here. Whoa, look at that.
I don't want to touch it.
Guys, this year we're not playing the big fireworks, ya kan? Remember the big one? The one who boom, boom, like the
Look,
bomb.
I'm doing Doctor Strange.
Oh yeah, you're Dr. Fat Strange. Oh bukan. Dr. Weird. Oh, Dr. Strange. Is that the ring of Dr. Strange? So, Kaka, what is your New Year's resolution for 2023?
To be smarter and study harder and get good grades.
Good grades. And
And
what about your soccer?
yeah, be good at soccer.
And
I have two.
what's yours,
It's
Dede?
not fair. Mine
What's yours, Dede?
Mine is already.
What's yours?
The same.
Toto awas. The same one.
I want to have two like here.
You have wish for your New Year's resolution, Dede? Dede,
Huh?
what's your New Year's
The
resolution?
same as God.
No, not the same. Come on, say it.
Get good grades.
Mhm.
Only that.
Only that? How about your gymnastics?
Oh God. There's no way I broke my finger again.
And your piano?
Yeah.
There's no
Yeah,
way
yeah.
I burnt my finger again.
Hmm?
I burned my finger again.
Oh,
No, it's real. I burnt my finger.
really?
It's real. I burnt my finger.
Really?
It's so hot. No, like right now. I was trying to hold it, but it was very hot, so I burnt my.
Yeah, that's why you need to be careful.
We'll do it.
Ooh, it's breezy. Windy. Dede, so what's your wish? What's your New Year's resolution? Hmm?
And then the same.
The same? What's the same?
Good at everything.
No. Good grades? Piano?
Look, Daddy. Don't get near.
Be careful.
I'm doing an 8.
8. Wow. And like gymnastic ya, Dede? Are you a gymnast? Be a better gymnast, ya kan?
Hey, Daddy, look.
And be a better pianist.
I'm doing an 8.
Dr. 8, not Dr. Strange. Strange 8.
It's fire. Of course, it's fire.
We're saying goodbye to
2022.
year of 2022
But it was very fun in
and welcoming the year of
2024.
ah,
Fine, 2023. See, this is the part where I touched. It was so hot.
you don't
Accidentally
touch,
touched the burnt one.
you
It
don't
was
touch
hot.
it. Careful.
Don't touch this.
Mommy, what if I put the firework on the road?
And what's your wishes, mommy, for
To
2023?
be loved by everyone.
To be loved by everyone.
And to be and
Yang kosongnya sini. Jangan pegang kira.
Mommy,
Gila nggak nyala-nyala, nyalain 5 sekaligus nggak nyala-nyala. Wow, look at
Oh.
Look, the stick are connected.
Whoa.
Mommy, you can have the
The what?
Sini.
two.
Come on, say something to your viewer.
I burned my thumb.
Hi, you burned your thumb
I
also.
burned my finger just a little bit.
Are you happy with the new year coming? 2023
Can I put the fire on the road?
road.
Mat, mati.
Daddy also have one.
Yay!
Oh.
There's no way I burnt my
Malam.
finger again.
But
It was less hot.
was
It burnt my finger again.
kamu ya?
It burnt my finger again.
You're the king of
Iya.
burning
Mami
fingers.
lagian masih panas loh di sore sih. Itu masih nyala tadi punyaku.
Mereka rajin sekali.
Iya. So,
Where is it?
you have what are you going to say, Koko, about this 2022?
It was fun. It was great, but 2023 is going to be way more fun. And
Are you
where?
grateful with 2023?
Yes, but
What? Wait.
But
What?
I'll miss 2022.
What do you like about this going to pass 2022? What do you like about it?
It's
What have you achieved?
what?
Are you? I know you're happy because you can start play football again, going to school. Whoa! Look at that. Ya kan, Koko? Going to school, meet your friends again, offline school, ya kan? Terus apa lagi? Meet your teachers.
And meet my soccer coach or football.
Mhm.
But soccer is a way better answer.
Yeah, you can play soccer. 2021 we cannot do soccer, ya kan?
Yeah.
You missed the swimming lesson because of the virus, the COVID
But
pandemic.
now the pandemic is over.
Yes. Actually, it's almost over. And what else?
I can see Mall Kelapa Gading there.
Oh yeah, that one ya, Mall Kelapa Gading. No, actually it's the apartment, the Summit apartment.
Where's the fireworks coming from?
I don't know. From everywhere.
Even from America?
America? So far, Koko. Mana? Can you find one?
I don't think Americans are celebrating right now. They're probably sleeping.
Yeah. Hey, no.
Huh? What is
Actually now is morning in America. In the morning.
Kalau gini bagus gak? Backgroundnya kokoh.
Enggak. Enggak kelihatan soalnya. Kurang gede.
one of those there?
Dedek. Dedek. What did you like about 2022? Sini dong. Tell your viewers.
Movies!
Dedek.
Movies.
What makes you happy in this passing 2022?
Movies. Is this alive?
Yes.
Really?
Dedek, don't move around.
I want
Wait.
to see.
Wait. Okay, it's like an interview.
Interview.
Dedek. What makes you happy in 2022?
Movies.
No, I mean you can go back to your school again, ya kan? Meet your friends, meet your teacher.
Yes.
Apa lagi? I know. Going to gymnastic lesson, ya kan?
Yeah.
I don't think
Terus
I
apa
can
lagi?
have gymnastic lessons like that.
She has.
Dedek. Dedek. What else? Stop moving.
I don't know.
Argentina won the World Cup!
Oh yeah, that's one also. And you made me lost the deal, the bet, so I can
And
have
each of us got a 15-minute massage.
from Daddy because
This is-
Daddy lost.
This is how Messi scores.
Okay, let me see.
Mommy, I want to have one of
No, Mbappe.
Huh?
Mbappe is better than Messi.
Really?
I don't
Prove
know.
it.
Huh? What do you think?
Prove that Mbappe is better.
Is Messi better than Mbappe?
Yes!
Really? But Mbappe scored 3 goals.
And he scored a hat trick.
Yes. And Mbappe can beat Argentina
Really?
if, I don't know, next time. So,
Yeah.
let's close the video.
Yes. So bye guys. That's
Agera.
not for today.
Bye.
Bye.
Sini dong.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Wait, do you have any messages for your subscribers?
She do it.
Wish you a
Guys.
Merry Christmas.
Happy
I mean,
New Year.
wish you a Happy New Year.
Veron,
Where?
come.
Kamu berapa, Dek?
Veron. Kamu ngapain?
Cheat.
Veron,
That's a lot.
you have something to say to your viewers?
Everyone have a wonderful 2023 tomorrow.
What do you hope for them? For all of us?
Stay healthy.
Stay healthy.
That's the most important.
Be healthy. I mean, be happy.
Let's hope that no more virus
So we
pandemic.
don't need to wear a mask. No more coughing. No more sickness.
Bye-nya mana?
Tiga.
Oh, bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.